Hi, I'm Paris here with my brother Chris. We are at an undisclosed location up in the mountains mining some gold. Well, actually we haven't found it yet. We're prospecting and really hoping to be mining some gold. So this first spot we're checking out, how's it looking?
Don't know yet. Hey, knock it off.
It looks like a dog food bowl. I think he's looking for, oh, wants to play frisbee.
Yeah.
That's what it is. I think it's best to open this up not in the river.
Seems like you might want the wing nut on the outside so it's not interfering with the dirt.
Oh, yeah. So for example, if we put it on top of this log, whoa, that's some water flowing through.
Yeah.
Yay! All right. Have at it.
All right, we gotta straighten it. They know when both your hands are busy.
Yeah, they know. They got eyes. They got multiple eyes. They got those fly eyes with 1,000 lenses.
That's becoming tighter.
Okay.
Looks pretty cool. The way it all goes down dirty, it really looks like a sluice. Yeah, that seems to be flowing pretty good. Let's keep scooping. Another 12 hours of this and we should do something.
So, what's the story on this sluice? How much was it again?
$99.
Okay.
Came with a scale.
Right. Which we haven't had occasions to use yet, but maybe. And how do you think it's working?
Seems to work pretty good. It washes it down. You can see a little tailings pond at the end. The tailings starting to pile up.
Carries it right on down. Those big sluices on the shows that they let go all day have a lot more surface area. I would think this one you're going to have to take it apart and check the miner's moss a lot more often, because it's only got a little bit of area that you're working with.
Yeah, but they're putting in 150 yards per
You
hour.
will be by the time we're done. Get on there.
I think all of our shovelfuls are going to equal one of their buckets, you know?
Yeah.
Which are like 3-yard bucket scoops. So yeah, it's I think equivalent. The point is it shouldn't be catching anything but gold in the miner's moss.
Down below, yes.
Yeah, so you got all, we'd be able to fill that whole thing with gold in theory. Up. All right, let's just let it run off the end. You think it feels heavier? I kind of think it does. We always shake the riffles into the mats.
So how many scoops do you think went through that today? How many shovelfuls?
I'd say about 100.
Wow, you did most of those. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. It definitely felt heavier after we took it out of the water than it did going in.
Yeah.
I think about like 5 pounds.
Wow.
So there's some weight in here
So
somewhere.
5 pounds of gold
Yeah.
at $100,000 a pound. That's gotta be.
So now we need to remove these. Oh, there's 2 of them. Screens. All right, look at, there's quite a bit of material.
There's quite a bit. Is the gold showing up yet? If anything, it's tiny pieces down at the very bottom of that carpety stuff, I think.
All right, 1 mat right here. Feel that, Perry. Feel the weight of it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
5 pounds of gold. There you go.
All right, second mat. Oh, it's heavy, man.
Wow. Cool.
All right.
That's it for today.
We've got our miner's moss and carpets and everything here, so we're gonna go ahead and clean these out into this bucket. Looks like stuff's coming out of it.
Oh, I see lots of dirt in that.
Yeah.
The fine stuff.
All right, one last piece. We do got some dirt in there. That looks pretty clean.
Okay.
All right.
Now the mystery. What's in there? Whoa, slowly.
Well, in theory,
out, you know,
it's all down there, you know.
Unless we got floaters.
We ain't gonna catch the floaters. So that's our concentrates in theory.
Lots of potential.
Not seeing sparkles, but we'll get the pans and find out. It's pretty dense. So maybe just start with the scoop, you think?
I think that's enough.
Okay.
Yeah, I do.
All right, and then we'll take turns. I'll do one, you do one.
Here's our cleanup room. The water's a lot less cloudy than it was when we were doing it with just the top stuff at the river, or at the creek, remember?
Yeah.
This really seems to be a lot of heavy stuff.
The water just needs to make the space for the stuff to fall. And then the agitation, in theory, is going to drop it.
Okay, it's concentrating. Nothing jumping out at you?
Possibly some shiny stuff in there.
Should we bring the magnet over, pull out the black sand?
Yeah, I guess in a second.
Look at all this black sand, magnetic rocks, just a bunch. But this is all not gold. Nothing shining back at you, huh?
A little bit of sparkles in there, like grain. Like literally, you know.
Let me come over your shoulder here and take a look.
Salt. But I don't
Salt
know.
sized.
I don't know if it'd be anything you'd call colors.
I'm not seeing.
What about
where?
a little shiny
up
piece
there?
right there?
Okay.
That actually looks like it could be a color right there.
I don't see it, but I'll take your word for it. Well, it seems like I separated out the black sand here, but no little gold sparkles in it. Okay, what did you find?
May have found something right there.
Oh, I see it.
Looks yellow.
I agree.
Take a picture and we'll zoom it in.
Take a picture, it'll last longer because the wind blows, it'll blow away.
There's gold.
Is there gold?
Look at it.
My gosh, it looks like it.
That's the actual what it should look like. There's three pieces right there.
Let me get a good tight shot on that.
Now I gotta see if I can get it refined down a little bit more, but you see what I'm seeing?
I'm pretty sure I see. It looks golden.
Yeah, there's a few little flakes.
Okay, can you actually pick it? Is it a picker?
Look at that.
Oh, there it is. Beautiful.
That's actual gold, man. Where are we gonna put it?
Epic review, guys. Wanna watch it all?